Alright, so today I'm going to be installing a Fender Eliminator kit on my 2018 Suzuki SV650. So basically it's going to replace this whole part, and I'm just going to keep the indicator lights, and everything's going to be replaced by this part over here. It's made out of aluminum, and the paint is powder coated, so it's very good quality. I got it on eBay from a seller called Customized Bike Parts. I actually talked to the seller. He's a very cool dude, so I highly recommend to check him out. I will put a link in the description below. I think it's gonna be pretty straightforward. To do this, I need to remove, there's 4 screws. Don't know if you can see them, but yeah, there's 4 screws over there. Just need to unscrew them, and after that I will be disconnecting the wires inside of there, and yeah, see how it goes. Alright, so these are the 3 wires I was talking about. It's 3. So there's 2 for the indicator lights and 1 for the license plate light. So just need to disconnect those. For the license plate light, so this came with the kit because we cannot use the stock one. Alright, so now that everything is installed, just need to route the cables into this hole. And then after that, just need to screw those screws back in on the bike. Alright, so now that we have everything passed through, just need to reconnect the wires. So that's the final result. Much cleaner. And I also installed the new slip-on. That's the GPR Furore Nero. Let's hear it.